The reason you are broke has absolutely nothing to do with your salary. You could double your income tomorrow and still be broke next month. That sounds crazy, right? Stay with me. This video will completely change how you see money. Meet Jake. He earns $70,000 a year. That is above average in America. But every single month, Jake has $0 left. No savings. No investments. Nothing. Jake is not lazy. Jake has a system problem. Jake does what most Americans do. Paycheck comes in. Bills go out. Whatever is left, he spends. By day 20, the account is empty again. This cycle repeats every single month. Sound familiar? This is called living paycheck to paycheck. 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Even people earning six figures. This is not an income problem. This is a behavior problem. And behavior can be changed starting today if you make one decision right now. The first reason you are always broke is lifestyle inflation. Every time Jake got a raise, he upgraded something. Bigger apartment. Newer phone. Fancier car. His expenses always grew faster than his income. More money, same empty account. Every time. Here is what nobody teaches you in school. Rich people live below their means. They drive regular cars. They buy regular clothes. They do not upgrade every time money comes in. They save the difference and invest it instead. The second reason is invisible spending. Jake pays for 7 subscriptions every month. Netflix. Spotify. 2 gym memberships. 3 apps he forgot about. That is $240 gone every month. $2,800 every single year. Vanished. Right now, open your bank statement. Scroll through last month. Count every subscription. Most people find at least 5 they forgot about completely. Cancel what you do not use today. That is free money you are giving away every month. The third reason is no budget. Jake never tracked where his money went. He guessed. He assumed. But guessing your finances is like driving blindfolded. You will crash every single time. What you do not track, you cannot control. Ever. So what is the fix? Jake discovered the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of income goes to needs. 30% to wants. 20% straight into savings. This one rule turned Jake's financial life completely around in 6 months. Needs are rent, groceries, electricity, and transportation. Non-negotiable. But be brutally honest. Many people sneak wants into the needs category just to justify spending. Daily coffee runs are not needs. Eating out 3 times a week is not a need. Wants are entertainment, dining out, new clothes, vacations. You do not have to eliminate them. Just limit them to 30%. Enjoying life matters. But not at the cost of your future. Balance is everything in personal finance. The 20% savings rule is where your future is built. Jake started saving just $100 a month. In 1 year, he had $1,200. In 5 years with investment growth, he had over $9,000. Automate your savings immediately. Set your bank to transfer money automatically on payday. Before you see it. Before you touch it. Before you spend it. What you never see, you never miss. Automation removes willpower from the equation completely. Jake also used the 24-hour rule. Before any non-essential purchase, he waited 24 hours. Most times he did not buy it. That one habit saved him over $300 every single month. Impulse buying is expensive. Credit card debt was killing Jake silently. High interest rates were eating his money every month. He used the debt snowball method. Smallest debt first. Pay it off completely. Then attack the next one. Momentum builds incredibly fast this way. Build your emergency fund before anything else. Start with $1,000. Then grow it to 3 months of expenses. Jake had no emergency fund. One car repair sent him into credit card debt twice. Do not make that same mistake. Today Jake saves $300 every month. He has 0 subscriptions he does not use. He follows his budget. He has an emergency fund. Same salary as before. Completely different results. The only thing that changed was his habits. Remember this forever. Being broke is never about how much you earn. It is always about how much you keep. Two people, same salary. One builds wealth. One stays broke. The only difference is decisions, habits, and systems. Choose wisely today. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button right now and subscribe for real money tips every single week. Drop a comment below. What is your biggest money challenge? We read every comment. See you in the next video.